I be giving y'all the tea, like all the tea, all the tea. Y'all could at least subscribe, you know, girl. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you guys some budget-friendly glitters, and I think they range from now. When I first bought from this site, they were 99¢ and $1.25. Now they dropped down to 79¢. I'm gonna put you on, but go subscribe, and then I'll put you on. I got time. So the glitters are from Super Glitter. Well, I got them from Super Glitters, and I also got some from bulkglitters.com before they were selling them in bulk. I'm not gonna swatch all of these because it's a lot, but you guys will see. Like, so they have two different jars. They have the bitty jars and the mini jars. So the mini jars are 2 tablespoons of glitter, which is a lot. You're not gonna run through this quick. And the other one I believe is 1 tablespoon, so they're smaller. And from 79¢ to $1.25, I'd rather spend $1.25. But certain colors I knew I wasn't gonna use too much, so I'm gonna start off with the mini jars. So the first one is called Paragon Sky, and I got this from Bulk Glitters. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box so you guys could go and shop and get the glitters before they're gone, girl. So this one is Iridescent. This is from Bulk Glitters, and this is called Paragon Sky. I've used this before in my prom tutorial. Be sure to check that video out too. The next small one, bitty jars, I got from Bulk Glitters as well. This is called Dragon Scale Jade, and it's a green with a red undertone, a dark emerald green. I don't know if you guys can see that. I may be able to. See, it's green, but then the undertones are red. Very, very, very pretty shade. Like I said, it's $1. It's 79¢ now. I bought this one from Super Glitters, and if it sounds like I'm whispering, everybody is asleep, so I don't want to wake everybody up. And this one is called Purple Rain. This one is the holographic. They have different ones. It's iridescent, metallics, and holographics, and this one is a part of the holographics. It's a purple with a hot pink undertone to it. The next one is called Nebula Spin. I never get to use Nebula Spin, but I have a look I want to do soon with this one. This one is a aqua, greenish aqua color with rainbow reflects, and this is a holographic, and I got this from Bulk Glitters. The next one is another purple, but it's metallic. I got that one from Bulk Glitters as well. This is called Luscious Lavender, and it's a metallic. It's so pretty. The next one is, I got it from Bulk Glitters as well. This one is called, I use this quite a lot, Dusty Rose Pink. And it's like a mauve type of pink. And this is the metallic collection. And this one I also want to use soon. This was called Quasar Blue. Turquoise. A turquoise holographic. You guys see, like, I'm gonna turn that light down a little bit so you guys can see. It's so pretty. See something real quick. I just need it. Okay, so the next one I got from Super Glitters, and this color is so pretty. I want to use it in the summertime. This is Orient Orange, and this is a part, as you can see, it's holographic. It's a holographic orange. It's so pretty. Next one is called Cloud Buster, and I also got this. This is a white holographic. Yeah, there we go. So that's it for the bitty jars. I'm going to be moving on to the mini jars, which are bigger than the bitty jars. Is a iridescent, and this one is called Flirtatious Rose. This was from Super Glitters. So there's two websites. They're like sister websites, and whatever one doesn't have, the other one usually has. I don't know how long the sale is going to be for, but get yours too soon. This is a yellow or greenish undertone, but it's like a strawberry color. The next color is a nice holographic green, and it's called Mint Julep, and I'm gonna put all the colors down in the description box. Holographic green. The next one is like a gold and silver holographic color. I had another gold one, but I cannot find it. It was called Midas Touch. It was a yellow holographic, but this one is a silver and gold mix holographic, and this one is called Golden Eye. This next one is a pretty color for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is coming up, so hurry up and order. They have this called Heavenly Hibiscus, and this is like a dark raspberry pink, and this is metallics. This is in the metallic sections. This next one is in the holographic collection on both glitters. This is called Kiss the Sky, and this is a like cobalt blue holographic. Girl, I'm telling y'all, I be putting people on. They don't know. They ain't gotta go out there and go spend $7 for a little bottle when you could get 7 glitters. And this doesn't say the amount you get. Well, you get 2 tablespoons. This one is called, this was one of my favorites. It is a yellow iridescent with red undertone flakes, and this is called Golden Sun Yellow, and I used it in my last look on Instagram. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, King Size. And it's yellow. Oh my god, like what bitch, summertime. You got your cute little sundress. The next color is a hot pink. Glitter all over the floor. And my shirt. The next one is called Pinktastic. It's a hot pink holographic. Y'all see how pretty that is? That's so pretty. Pinktastic. And the next one is a metallic from both glitters as well. It's called Imperial Aqua. It gives the name away. Imperial Aqua. Dope. So dope. Okay, and the last two I have is Blushes Pink. Blushes Pink is it's like the Dusty Rose Pink, and that's Dusty. No, this is Blushes Pink. Sorry, Blushes Pink, and this is from the Metallic collection. I also have the Holographic Black in Back in Black, and I got that from both glitters as well. So it's like a holographic black. And this light and this camera is not giving these glitters any justice. It's so pretty in person. And that concludes my glitter hauls, you guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know like what other videos you would like to see, and I'll catch you guys on the next one if I find something else on the budget. And then I want to get the girls some tea, okay, and put y'all on. All right, love you guys. Bye.